Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the health details on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings screen, we swipe up to go down and tap on health. In here, tap on health details. Next, you can tap on the edit button at the top to start making changes. If you want to change the first name, you can tap on that. You can change last name, date of birth, sex type, blood type. So in here you can choose your blood type. And then you can choose a skin type. You can tap on it. And then you can choose whether to use wheelchairs or not. And you can also choose your medications that affect heart rate. After that, you can tap on the done button to save the changes. And you can tap on the back key to go back to your health settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.